How to insert special character in Origin. Welcome back. You're just in time for something awesome today. We learn about how to insert special character in Origin, and before dive in, if you need good help, a genius writer, a brainy tutor, or a data analyst, Intudo for you has them all. It's like having a research dream team on demand. So visit it right now. And if you are new here, then subscribe now for more amazing video just like that. In this quick Origin tutorial, you will learn how to insert special characters into your graphs and worksheets. Greek letters, the degree symbol, the micro symbol, plus, minus, the proper times sign, and neat subscripts and superscripts. By the end, you will be able to write labels like temperature, degree C, stress, MPa, H2O, and M superscript 2 in seconds. First, where can you use symbols? Anywhere you can type text in Origin, text labels on the graph. Legends support symbols too. I double-click the legend text, place the cursor where I need the character, open the symbol map, and insert micro or plus, minus dot or whatever the symbol I need here. I search over all the symbols and you see there is the number of symbols, or choose whatever you want. As soon as you see many symbols there, so you should be select whatever you need according to your desire or need, and I click theta, and theta inserts exactly at the cursor, so the label becomes a, x, is 2 theta. You can see it appear in the text box and update on the graph immediately. If I prefer, I can also copy theta from the character map and paste it after the 2 to make a, x, is 2 theta. Now I'll show how the text I type in the worksheet flows straight to the graph. In column B, Y, I click the long name cell and type intensity. I pause, and you can see intensity appear automatically on the y-axis of the graph. Next, I move to column A, X, click its long name, and type degrees. Again, I give it a moment, and the graph updates. Degrees now shows along the x-axis. Finally, I return to the B, Y, column and enter O in the same header area. Just like before, it immediately appears on the same Y side of the graph. This way, whatever I write in the table, intensity, degrees, or O, is mirrored on the plot without extra formatting, keeping my axes and labels consistent and up to date. That's it. You now know the fastest ways to add special characters anywhere in Origin. If this helped, give the video a like, share it with a friend, and check out my other Origin tips on peaks, labels, legends, and axis tricks. Thanks for watching.